Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So many of you have asked me that Aishwarya, do you make hand painted jewelry? But my first answer was no because I'm very bad at drawing and whenever I try to do hand painting it was very bad. But there was a lot of demand that so many people were asking me that we want to buy a hand painted jewelry from you. So with that situation, I thought that let's do something in hand painted. So with this, I have made a sketch of necklace set, and then we have made this pretty necklace with the help and designed it with the help of shell and beads. And this is how it will look. This is a kind of boho necklace that I have made, and this is how it looks. And even though it looks quite heavy, but it's look quite big and all. But it's so lightweight to wear and very easy to carry. So I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial and will definitely try to make this kind of necklace set at home like hand painted. And I'll suggest you that there are so many that I have used golden color acrylic. I have used golden color outliner, but you can use any other outliner also. That black, red, green. There are so many available in the market, and try to do various experiments with that. So do let me know what design you are gonna make in this. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this and the future. And now let's get started. So first we'll take this MDF mold of like 6 sides hexagon and we'll cover it with the fabric. So I have taken this pink fabric and I already made a sketch of this how this necklace set will be made, and we'll make it accordingly. So now we'll take this Fevicryl outliner, which is this golden color, and we'll just you have to draw a mehendi. So in the same way we have to draw this design and do it. So as I'm a very new in this design in this painting, it's like a kind of a lot of patience that we need over here. So I was just feeling like I'm drawing a mehendi on someone's hand while doing this. So yeah, but it was a fun. So like you can make any design that you want. It's just that I decided that I'll do this and will replicate this. So it's totally up to you that what do you want. So now we have done this and we'll keep it to dry for a while, and after some time we'll start with further work. We can't do anything before starting this. So the same, we'll draw something on this earring to match with the pattern. So the same like kind of similar design we have to do on the earrings also. So I'll just do this round and this half moons a little, and we'll draw 3 lines, and that's it. So it's just that you have to do anything as per your convenience, like what design you want. And if you are very expert in drawing and painting, you can do like anything, literally anything. But I was very bad in painting in my class also, like in my school days, and now though don't ask me. So and also this Fevicryl is not much convenient bottle to use. I had to use a lot of pressure while while doing this. So yeah, so finally this is ready, and we will now this has been dried up, and we'll just twist it around, and we'll add this add this eye pins. I always use Fevicol glue because it dries faster. So we are going to add the eye pin to both the sides of this pendant, because on one side we will add the tassels and on the one side we are going to add the chain. So make sure to add it to the both side, and allow it to dry for some time. And in the same way we are going to add it to this earring. So we'll add only one eye pin to this end, and to the upper side we will add the earring stud. So again we'll do this, and we'll wait for a while to get it dry, and then we'll start with our further work. So guys, this was dried up, and also I added the back finishing fabric also in the same style. And now we will add this tassel. So as you can see the design, I had used the shells. So we'll take some shells here. So we'll attach the sail against each other, like one is to this side and one that side, and we'll make a wrap. So be very gentle with the while doing this, because the material is very delicate. And then we'll add 2 oxidized beads. So you can add any oxidized beads, or if you want you can add 2 3 also. It's totally up to you. And I have taken this oxidized beads which are just lines on it, but it's totally up to you that what do you want to use. And then you attach this to this one side of these earrings, like the downside. So wherein I have attached this square parts is my downside, so I'll attach it over there and do it and wrap it. And in the same way we'll do for the other one too. So I'll quickly do that. So I have done this, and this is how it looks. And now we'll do the upper part. So again we'll add this one wire, and you can see first I have added a bead. So we'll add one bead over here, and then some shells. So I'm gonna add the 4 shells in this. So we'll add 4 shells like upon each other, which will come to like a cross side to each other, 1 2 3 4. And then again I will add some beads. So there are varieties of shells available in the market, and you can choose that one too, but I had this, so I just used these ones. And it's up to you. And then again we'll add some beads in this. And at the end we'll add this oxidized chain. So we'll add the oxidized chain, and we'll close the loop. So this looks so gorgeous while wearing, and it gives very very different look. Like you just outshine while wearing it. So in the same way I have done it for the other one also. Now we'll add the earring hook. So this is a S-shape earring hook that I have done. Just open one side and add it in the last loop, and that's it. And to the other side we'll add a bunch of jump rings, so that we can just adjust it to our length. So it's already a little big in the length, but it's totally up to you that what do you want to do and how do you want to do it. So yeah guys, with this earring, necklace, pendant is ready. It looks so gorgeous. It's as gorgeous as you are, and it looks really amazing while wearing it. Now we will make the earrings. So earrings are also the same. We just have to add some tassels in that. So in the way we made the tassel for this pendant, we'll do this. So we'll add the shells against each other. I really love this shell because of the overall pattern. There are lots of varieties of shells available in the market, but I just love these look so gorgeous, and so like the real ones. They are not like they are the artificial ones. So I always prefer to use this. Then I'll add 1 oxidized bead in this. You can add 2 also or 3 also based on your preference, and just wrap it and be very delicate while making it, and then cut the extra part. And that's it guys. With this pretty earrings are too ready. Isn't it so gorgeous? They are so gorgeous as you. I know you're laughing there while watching this video. So with this, so do let me know in the comments below how are these. And I use this pink color shade because I didn't had a much design in pink shade. So do let me know how do you like this. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next video. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.